Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to restore data from the last entry session. To start, you have to go to the Grid app on your phone or your tablet. Click on the workspace containing your required worksheet, for example AC Traders. Here you need to press the plus icon next to the worksheet you want to enter data in, for example purchase details. A form will appear where you can enter all the details required. Now, if you didn't submit and save the data you just entered, you can retrieve it by simply visiting the same worksheet again. As you can see, you will be presented with a pop-up. In case you are not interested in using the previous data, simply click on the discard option and continue with a new data entry. But if you want to restore the data, click on the restore option, and as you can see, all your data is now restored. Now click on submit to finish the process.